A chance meeting in Hawaii. In the 1990s, while on family holidays in Hawaii, two psychologists accidentally cross paths.
Martin Seligman from the University of Pennsylvania and Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi from Claremont Graduate University found themselves in an unexpected conversation. Rather than lounging on the beach with cocktails in hand, they spent hours discussing the need for the field of psychology to pivot away from discussing what is wrong with people and focus on what is right. Inspired by their conversation, they decided to take action. They vowed to create a special interest group at the American Psychological Association that would explore topics neglected by the field. Topics such as strengths, creativity, and optimism. Imagine living in a world where everyone focuses on what is right with you, rather than focusing on everything that's wrong. Defines you through all the mistakes you have made and barely considers all the positives. No matter how resilient you are, it is bound to wear you down at some point. The birth of a movement. Soon after, Martin and Mihaly invited Ray Fowler. With all their families, they traveled to a colorful beach house in Yucatan, Gulf of Mexico. Together, they began to create the field of positive psychology. Over the years, they were joined by other like-minded psychologists. Christopher Peterson, Barbara Fredrickson, Ed Diener, and others began to shape the contours of the field as we know it today. Then in 1998, Martin Seligman became the president of the American Peace Psychological Association. In his inaugural speech, he called for others to join the conversation and explore the emerging field of positive psychology.
Little did they know that what began as a small group would soon expand into the fastest growing field in psychology. In their foundational 2000 paper, Seligman and Csikszentmihalyi proposed three main areas. The first pillar was positive subjective experiences. This pillar examines positive emotions such as hope, optimism, serenity, and joy. Second, positive individual traits, studying individual strengths, virtues, and character traits that contribute to a life. These traits help us uncover another side of human beings rarely discussed in psychology. Third, positive institutions and communities, understanding societal and environmental factors that facilitate human flourishing, including supportive social networks, nurturing communities, and workplaces. Today, positive psychology has become mainstream. Given that people have developed opinions about it, they either embrace it or approach it with skepticism. Even with the skepticism, meaningful conversation began, and positive psychology programs started to emerge, with research questions emerging into what constitutes the good life or a life worth living.
From a chance meeting on a Hawaiian beach to a global movement.
Positive psychology continues to explore what makes life truly worth living.